of Treatz. My name is Courtney. This is Marley. We are continuing to plant our seedlings. Behind us are some peppers that we recently planted. You can check out our previous video when we planted these peppers. And today we're gonna plant more peppers, but we're gonna plant different varieties. So here we have 9 different varieties of peppers, and we're gonna plant 9 new varieties of peppers. So I'm gonna go over it. So we have a California Wonder Pepper. You wanna hold it? We have pepper cheese. Joey Parker. You want them? Okay. Pimento. Here, you can hold it. Golden California Wonder. Sweet Red Cherry. Anaheim. And Bell Horizon Orange Pepper. Oh, I think there's one more. Yep, Lilac Bell Pepper. And so I created another spreadsheet for these peppers that has the plant date, transplant date, harvest date, what zone in the field we're gonna plant it, and our germination date. And so I'm gonna do a new video about our zoning. We started planning, and so I'm gonna show you how we did that with like a PowerPoint kind of video. So stay tuned for that. And then we have our craft sticks with the peppers labeled. So let's get started.